Hi, in this module we will talk about fertilizer application. For the crop to grow well, we need to apply fertilizers to the crop. The crop is needed to be treated continuously. There are important period gaps when the fertilizers should be given. We need to apply the nutrients in a particular manner. There are three options. Option 1 is to simply apply Jai-Kisan, SSP, which is also called Super 16, and MOP in the following quantities. The amount of Jai-Kisan needed at the time of planting is 50 kgs or 1 bag. The amount of SSP needed at the time of planting is 200 kgs or 4 bags. And the MOP requirement is 1 bag or 50 kgs at the time of planting. 6 to 8 weeks after planting, the amount of Jai-Kisan needed is 2 bags or 100 kg with no SSP or MOP requirement at that time. 12 to 16 weeks after planting, we need 50 kgs of Jai-Kisan or 1 bag of Jai-Kisan, again without any requirement of an SSP or a MOP. At the time of big earthing up, which is at 18 to 20 weeks after planting, we need to apply Calinit 19, which is a combination of calcium and nitrogen, at the rate of 25 kgs per acre, along with 2 bags of Jai-Kisan, which is 100 kgs, 3 bags of SSP, which is 150 kgs, and 1 bag of MOP, which is 50 kgs. The second option is to apply Samrat, which reduces the amount of Jai-Kisan and SSP requirement. It doesn't change the MOP requirement, but it definitely reduces the amount of Jai-Kisan and SSP required at different stages. At the time of planting, we needed 50 kgs without Samrat, and with Samrat we only needed 25 kgs, which is half a bag. The amount of SSP requirement also goes down from a 200 kgs to 75 kgs, which is only 1.5 bag, which is required at the time of planting. The MOP requirement doesn't change and stays at 1 bag at the time of planting. 6 to 8 weeks after planting, we still need 100 kgs or 2 bags of Jai-Kisan. 12 to 16 weeks after planting, we still need 50 kgs or 1 bag of Jai-Kisan. During this time period, we don't require any SSP or MOP. At the time of big earthing up, which happens at 18 to 20 weeks after planting, the requirement of Jai-Kisan again goes down to a 75 kgs or 1.5 bags. The amount of SSP requirement is 50 kgs or 1 bag. MOP requirements stay the same at 50 kgs or 1 bag. The third option is to use Samarth instead. When we use Samarth, Samarth has a composition of nutrients in the ratio of nitrogen is to phosphorus is to potassium. And the ratio of Samrat is also of nitrogen is to phosphorus is to potassium. In Samrat, this ratio is 18 is to 46 is to 0, but in Samarth, this ratio is 10 is to 26 is to 26. Samarth reduces the amount of MOP requirement to a 0 and also changes the amount of Jai-Kisan and SSP required. The amount of Jai-Kisan required at the time of planting goes down to a 25 kgs, which is half a bag, as compared to a 50 kgs, which was required if we didn't apply Samarth at all. At the time of planting, the amount of SSP required also goes down to a 25 kgs or 2.5 bags, and the amount of MOP reduces to a 0. 6 to 8 weeks after planting, we still need 100 kgs of Jai-Kisan, which is 2 bags. 12 to 16 weeks after planting, still a bag of Jai-Kisan is needed, which is 50 kgs. At the time of big earthing up, which is 18 to 20 weeks after plantation, the amount of Jai-Kisan needed is still 75 kgs, which is 1.5 bags, but the amount of SSP needed is 100 kgs, which is 2 bags. But again, the MOP requirement is again 0, right? So I hope the fertilizer application makes sense. Thank you.